Alrighty, sir, let's get to it. What the hell kind of cap is this? I'd say move that wheelbarrow and the hose back a little bit. I said we dump all the debris right there. And then maybe cover that plastic with something. The windows and whatnot.
Did he come
Damn.
Damn, it was like a little nest he was like hibernating in. Watch out. I already know what you're gonna do. Try to be slick. Turn out on the hammer because this whole side's shaking.
Huh?
This whole thing's shaking over here.
Let me see.
I mean, no, you can hit it. You can hit it. More down.
Yeah, it's because it's fucking. Oh!
See, the whole wall's gonna fall. You're gonna make it fall, sir. I don't think there's anything holding it.
Can we pick it up? Watch out.
The wall's gonna break or you're gonna fall.
Man, that thing's heavy. Dadgummit! It's not that heavy now. Ready? You get that side, I'll get this side, okay? Ooh. Hold on, boss. Okay, I got it. Got it?
Yeah.
My finger. Good? Got it?
Slightly. Are you flipping it?
Hold on, we'll put it on this side because it's flatter. Good? You good? Good?
No, my finger's under it.
Which one? Or you gotta speak.
My fingers was getting squished.
Ready? And got it. Okay. Yeah. Lord have mercy.
Oh. What is that?
Quaker
Motor oil?
No.
Yeah, it says oil.
Quaker State, yeah, motor oil.
Damn,
That's cool.
the queen right here. Show the viewers. Wait.
Oh yeah, show the viewers.
Damn.
Is that the queen? No.
Yeah.
Whiskey bottle.
What?
Brake fluid. How are you going like a grandpa? Okay, brick. Go. Dale, dale, dale. All right, forget that idea. Yeah, if they, like I said, if they want to leave the section open around the chimney where I'm working at, then they can come and work tomorrow. I don't care.
Right.
You know.
I guess the question would be is like, I don't think they're gonna finish the roof tomorrow. I think it's just gonna be torn off.
Oh yeah.
But I don't know.
Yeah. Well, like I say, I've seen these roofs, especially like these ones right here.
Yeah.
They get done in maybe like a half of a day.
Oh really?
Yeah, they're quick because they come out in a big crew. Most of the time, I rarely see it's ever a couple of guys, you know. But most of the time, it's like 5 or 6 guys, and they're all tearing off, and they'll tear this off like not even an hour, and lay it up in another like 2 hours. You know, they're quick. Let me get some brick right away.
Ahorita lo vamos a poner para acá, de este lado.
I'm gonna hand it to you right now. Really? You're just gonna send me one brick? Oh, yeah, it doesn't work.
There's some plug.
Huh?
Some plug.
Stop, bro. No, I checked. I unplugged it. I plugged it. I turned it off, turned it on, because there's a switch on the back. I did all that jazz. Like I said, it all depends on what time. Come on. Brick, you gotta be on top of this.
Here.
Pay attention. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop shaking the fucking shit. God damn. Up, up, up. Okay, drop. Huh? It's fine. We'll fix it after lunch. Throw it. Huh?
You should let them lay it and they can put it on top.
It's fine. Here, let's lift this up. Put the corner of the brick.
Get the air pump thingy.
That ain't gonna work.
How much you want that?
He thinks that the air pump is gonna pump this up because the wood has sunk down a little bit. So we'll see. All right, let's see what you can come up with here, kid. So what, you're gonna dig under the wood or dig under the on the wood, right?
Wood.
Yo, that's crazy. How much is it gonna pump up? That's impossible. You're gonna leave it like that? You're gonna leave it like that?
No, we gotta fill it up under. Like, no more from there.
You guys are gonna leave this open right here?
No, we're gonna do a flashing.
You're gonna put the flashing on?
Yeah.
You're gonna drill into it, no?
Have to.
But it's gonna start cracking.
So,
I just laid this up today. Cause you're what, gonna go up to the maybe like right here, right?
yeah, it's gonna be somewhere around there.
Yeah, it's not good because the brickwork's not even set up. I just did that this morning.
Yeah, I know.
You gotta at least wait maybe a couple days. What do you think? Because I know you guys got another roof over here, no?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if they're gonna.
'Cause if-
me, yeah, so
Oh, because I don't know if you guys can come back. I'm just,
I'm gonna tell that you guys just did the chimney. I mean,
yeah. Because it will crack.
I'm just gonna put a.
I don't want any vibrations, you know?
Yeah, I mean, we don't drill on this thing. We just drill like in the
In the mortar?
yeah, in the middle.
Okay.
And probably we'll just do one screw
Uh-huh.
just to hold it in place, and then seal it, and then the sealer will hold the whole thing.
Okay.
I mean, it's gonna be only one screw each side.
Okay.
One in this side, so it's gonna be 1, 2, and 3.
All right. Whatever you think.
I mean, yeah, I thought the same thing.
Because what, it's like a hammer drill, right? To drill into it?
Yeah.
I just don't want anybody.
It's very tiny.
Yeah, yeah.
Just
Yeah, I know what you mean. In order to get a screw in there, yeah.
right. I'm gonna try not to use screws. What I can do is just do the whole thing around it without screwing the brick,
Uh-huh.
and see if it stays like closer to the concrete.
Right.
Brick, I can seal it. I mean, I only use that so I can seal the corner, because if I leave it loose, I'm gonna have a gap. So I always do only one, just to push it towards the.
You think the
brick.
screw's gonna hold on to it though? I mean, it's pretty soft.
No, I don't understand how you do this. It's not gonna hold it.
No. Because on the screw, I know it has to be tight.
Right.
It'll come off.
I'm not gonna screw anything into it. I'm
Okay.
just gonna do it. Gonna screw in the shingle.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to keep it as closer as I can, so I can seal which is the corner,
Right.
and that will hold the metal.
Okay. Whatever you think. Hey, you're the roofing guy. I'm just a brick guy.
I'll put it.
No.
I'll do it while you cut it. So I'll smack this. I bet you can smack it real better. Ay, güey, no me espantas, güey.
No Miss Pontas? Yeah. Hold it. Bro, how does this happen?
Why do you drop it right here? Drop it over there.
I don't want you to what?
I'll fucking drop it right Because I don't want you to walk that far. Alrighty, I just took the forms off.
Keep working inside. And,
Okay, sounds good. I'll knock on the door when I'm ready.
I'll be out here.
Okay, alrighty, sounds good. Bring a beer too.
It's the angle of the thing.
Man, you just beat it. You know who you remind me of? You ever seen 30 Minutes or Less?
No,
You haven't?
I haven't.
Netflix.
Netflix?
Yeah.
I got Netflix. I watch it.
30 Minutes or Less, yeah.
Yeah, is he cool?
Yeah. But he straps a bomb to somebody.
Well, at least he's a nice guy.
And your dad won the lottery and wouldn't give you a penny.
I got things on cruise control on this.
What do you mean?
I'll just make him cram us some dinners.
Oh, okay. Cruise control.
Make her microwave and stuff.
Yeah.
Cool. You get better soon.
Huh?
You'll get better soon.
Yeah, I hope so.
We'll have that done. We'll have a couple beers.
All right. Cap looks good, huh?